And once the error disappears and your Apple ID signs in successfully, the problem is fixed. The verification failed. Error description not available message usually appears due to network issues, incorrect device settings, or temporary Apple ID authentication glitches. If the issue still shows up, try force restarting your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and after that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This clears temporary system bugs that may interfere with Apple ID verification. Another helpful step is checking your date and time settings. Go to Settings, tap General, then Date and Time. Make sure the settings are correct. Turning off automatic time or switching to a 24-hour format has helped some users resolve this error. You can also reset your network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and then tap Reset Network Settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi and network configurations that might be causing verification failures. If the problem continues, try temporarily disabling two-factor authentication. Open Safari, visit the Apple ID website, and sign in using Face ID. After that, sign out of iCloud on your device and then sign back in. This refreshes Apple ID authentication and often fixes the issue. Before doing anything else, always check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable and reliable network. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi, or if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained how to fix the Apple ID verification failed error step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching.